guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how I make this cute polka dot tulle bow. I made this bow so I can wear it as a hair clip or I can wear it as a brooch. So I have added the brooch pin there and I have added the hair clip there. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. These are measurements and materials which I'll be using to create my bow. First, I'm preparing my tulle fabric, which is 30 centimeters by 1 meter 40 centimeters. I'm folding my tulle fabric in half, like that, and I'm pinning both edges together. Next, I'm folding my tulle fabric corners together, like that. Next, I'm cutting off corners on a diagonal. Pinning the edges together. Pinning the middle opening. Next, I'll sew together these edges all around there and all around there. I will leave the middle opening open there. This is how it looks after I sewed both layers together on all edges. Next, I'm turning my bow to the right side and I'm sharpening all of the corners with a pin. Next, I will sew middle opening closed. Next, I'm ironing all of the seams flat. This is how it looks after I ironed all of the seams flat. Next, I'm folding my tulle fabric in half like that and opening both corners like that, and now I'm making a bow basically same way how I lace up my shoelaces, and this is how it looks. I'm tidying up my bow so it's nice and neat. My bow looks nice and neat. Next, I'm sewing a hair clip on the top of the felt fabric piece. There. Next, I'm sewing this brooch pin above the hair clip on the top of the felt fabric. There. And last thing what I need to do to finish this bow is to glue on this felt piece at the back of the bow. And here's my finished bow. If you have any questions how I made this bow, please do comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.